naban. Naban yung isa namin account kasi. Sa YouTube to. Naban tong naban. Sa TikTok naban. Dito lang pa sa amin tapos binan kami.
Yes. Yung sa I'm not cute anymore trend, di ba sinabi nila, hindi naman kayo talaga cute. Yeah.
Siya yung sanga. And binayaan lang natin. Sanga hindi mas ma-cute.
Sana tinanggal na natin yung comment. Kaya nga. Sa TikTok.
Guys, iniba na namin yung picture.
Oo nga.
Laylay, nispot ko pa eh.
Smooth na.
Ay, tumigas na siya.
Hello guys, this is slime.
And this is sand.
Kinetic. Sabihin mo po, ay. Hello guys, we're 6 and 8. 6 and 8.
Dalawang 8, isang 6. Ito yung 6, kaming dalawa yung 8.
May pa din 8 na lalaki, kaso hindi siya nagsali kasi, kasi sobrang lazy niya doon.
Nagsiya-study sa pangalan niya Kian.
Kay Kian, di ba?
Kian yan.
Ito yung ano niya, kapatid.
Kapatid kambal.
Kapatid kambal nga eh. Kapatid nga kayo eh.
Kambal kami, uy. Kambal kami. Guys, may bracelet na ako.
Guys,
Guys, yung
guys, kung nakita mo ka sa real life, pag-show ka.
Guys, mapapatugtog kami, guys.
Guys, that's mine. Every toy is mine. They're just doing it. And this is my house. They're just here.
Bro, this is not your house.
This is my house.
This is my friend's house.
Yeah, and this is also my house because she's my mama.
Ya, Pak. Jet. Ada apa? Ada apa?
Oh, guys, look.
Hinintay ko nga.
So black. Magsalsa sa lahat.
Ba't sobrang sanda yung akin? Ha? Di ko ito nilagyan ng sanda.
Paano naman? Wow! Ito yung ketchup.
Masa ketchup?
Ito.
Is that real ketchup?
Yeah. I know it's not real. It's real slime.
Can I see?
Don't touch it. It's like pink.
No, this one. What's that? Slime? It's dirty!
we just put kinetic candies.
Okay, after that, you clean it up, huh?
Hello.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.